Okay, we're going to talk about how to create a style sheet and how to attach it to your HTML document. And you remember that we're going to create a separate CSS style sheet that is going to hold all of the style information about our various documents. So it's going to be the information about what text looks like, it's going to be eventually information about how the pages are laid out, and all of that stuff is going to be contained in a single CSS style sheet document. So the way that we start is we're first going to create our CSS style sheet. We do that by coming up to the File menu and selecting New. This is how we always create a new document. And I also want to point out just one more time that I have already set up my site and have all of that set up, which remember you want to do that before you do anything else in Dreamweaver. You set up your site. I did that before I started this demo, so just keep that in mind. And what we want to do here under page type is click CSS and then click Create. And it's going to create a new style sheet that isn't going to look like much right now. But what we want to do is, as always, we want to immediately save our document when we create it. So I'm going to go to File and Save As, and I'm going to call this sample style.css. And it is important to end the name of the style sheet in the .css format. So I click Save there. And now I am going to create a new HTML document. So I'm going to go up to File and New. This time I'm going to create an HTML document. Click Create. And once again I am going to go ahead and save this. And I'm going to call this style sample.html. Okay. So right now this HTML document has no idea that the style sheet exists. So what I want to do is connect this document to the style sheet. So from the HTML document, okay, so not from the style sheet, but from the HTML document, the way you do this is you come over here to the style window and you click this little icon that looks like a chain link, and then that is how you attach the style sheet. You click the Browse button, and then I happen to have two different styles here, but the one we just created is the sample style CSS one. I click OK, click OK again, and we don't see any change right now, but the important thing that has happened is these two documents are now connected. So this HTML document knows about the style sheet. So in the next lesson what we will do is actually create some styles in this style sheet.